Here at the Homeless Garden Project, we're very excited about our 2014 Community Supported Agriculture, or CSA season, which the harvest season runs from May 30th through October 31st of this year. 23 weeks, and we're looking forward to providing a variety of produce and fresh flower bouquets and freshly harvested strawberries to members of the community. And one of the programs that we've developed to ensure that many people have access to this organic produce that we're growing, we call the Feed Two Birds program. Back in the early 90s, we were trying to think about how we could fund our training program and transitional jobs program for people who are homeless. And we were very thrilled to have earned income, because many nonprofits don't actually have earned income. And we saw that the more effective we were in operating our training program and the better we were at farming, the more produce we would have to sell. And the idea of CSA is that the farmer can focus on growing and doesn't have to worry about selling along with the growing. We try to sell the produce that we're growing in advance, so that while we're planting the crops, we're also selling the crops. And then once we start planting and harvesting, it's already sold. And this was a strategy that started over in Japan, and the idea was to try to really support sustainable farming practices and to make farming viable for small farmers. We found a lot of increased benefits for us as well, that we were developing a community of people who came to the farm every day and made a direct connection to our farm and invested in our farm and in our programs. They got to know the trainees, they got to visit with the ducks, and got to see the value of what we were doing on a really regular basis. Here at the Homeless Garden Project, we are so thrilled to be able to provide this important service to our community that helps so many people in so many ways. But we cannot do it without the generous contributions to our Feed Two Birds campaign and the participation in our CSA membership program. Please join us.